Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating each eye as its own subtool so you can sculpt and pose without affecting the head. Place a sphere in the socket, align pivots, and scale to match your skull landmarks. Once positioned, mask the eyelid region and use move with a low Z intensity to tuck the sphere into the socket. Doing this first ensures accurate silhouettes and prevents mesh intersection later. Make sure to save a morph target before heavy edits so you can revert if proportions feel off. Once the spheres sit correctly, focus on the eyelids and tear line. You sculpt the lid thickness first with clay build-up, then carve the crease with dam standard. This creates believable skin fold depth. Make a thin rim at the tear line to catch highlights, use a small brush radius, and keep geometry dense there. If you need micro detail like pores or tiny folds, step up subdivision levels or switch to HD geometry. This combination preserves silhouette while adding realistic surface detail around the eye. To finish, separate materials for sclere, iris, and cornea, and set a glossy specular for the cornea with a slightly higher IOR. This sells realism. Paint the iris texture on its own subtool and use a thin transparent cornea over it for refraction. Once done, micro-adjust position with transpose and use polish or inflate to smooth seams. If you see intersections or shading artifacts, hide problem faces, fix topology, or retopo that area, and reproject detail so lighting and normals render cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.